Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Another day live on the stock market, trading and investing. A kind of muted day, really. We had some opportunity today to scalp trade Tesla, and that's exactly what we've done. We had an opportunity to buy some discounted Virgin Galactic, which is exactly what we've done. This is my overall position. Pretty flat, but I have been trading throughout the day and have made money along the way as well. So not too bad. I've added a little bit of money to my portfolio, so I'm happy with that. And let's get straight into our trades and see where we are. If it's your very first time here, as always, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. That's all you have to do. There you go. And give me a thumbs up. There you go. There you go. And let's see who's in the chat right this afternoon. So we've done quite a few trades this afternoon. In batches of 5 shares of Tesla. We've done it 4 times today just to try to scalp, make a bit of money along the way, and we've been able to do that. So not too bad at all. Let's see where we are right now. Virgin Galactic, it nearly made enough money for me to sell some because I want to trim off the top. I've got my biggest ever position, 2,500. I would like to trim off the top as we go up again. Waiting for that to happen. It hasn't yet quite done that. Tesla, I'm waiting for it to go back down again. Thank you, How Kai, for the subscription. Cheers. As it goes down to 110 or 109, I'll buy another 5 and we'll do it again. My average is now 146. I'm happy with that. The S&P is down further than you today. Yes, which is nice, right? ETORO. So we're surviving. We're getting through. The last, you can see all my trades here. Look, see, bought at 115. Sold at 115. I think I bought at 110, sold at 115, bought at 199, sold at 113. You can see the profits here built in. So now we are looking to buy back again anywhere in the region of 509, if not lower. Anyway, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we can do that. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome everybody here on Livestreamer Cafe. Lovely to have you with us. And here we go. This is where we are right now. So we're getting a bit of a drop now. Virgin Galactic is going sideways. In fact, it's going up slightly. So what is going down? Hopefully Tesla will go down. There we go. If we can get Tesla below 109, 108, I'll buy some more and we'll do it again. And that's what we keep doing over and over again. So subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Wonderful to have you all here. I will tell you, I'm a little bit tired. COVID hasn't really left me fully. I mean, I have got over COVID, but going back flat out to work, it's a little bit tiring, a little bit breathless, but I'm trying to push forward without doing too much. But anyway, it's great to have you all here. If you've just tuned in, please smash the like button. We've got a lot more people that are watching that have liked, so please do smash the like button. That would be great. And want to thank all our subscribers today. We've gained quite a few, we're up to 5,870. Really, really good today. Quite a few videos went out, and thanks for all of you for watching them. And what's being searched right now is Cathy Wood and Tesla. It's the #1 thing on my channel. It won't go down anymore now, says Carl Werby. Carl Werby's over there on Facebook. And let me give you the link to where we are here on YouTube. Actually, our show is on YouTube, and we use Facebook to find new audiences. But let me give you the link to where we are right now, and it should appear in the chat, and you can come and join us. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, or just type into YouTube Martyn Lucas Investor. We'd love to welcome you on the screen. Here is Carl Werby. Let's put his comment on the screen. There we go. And Caden Youngquist, well, you say it won't go any lower. There's many people who will believe it will go to $16. So that's why I'm scalping it on the way down to make profits. In the end up owning 3 shares of Tesla. US will require airline passengers traveling from China to test negative for COVID. Breaking news there from Church of Logic. Thank you ever so much indeed. Thanks for sharing that. Caden, it's great to have you here, mate. How are you? Lovely to see you. So, Caden, here's a little thing for you as well to help your channel grow. When you stream, you can use this service, my own platform, for free. You can go live at the same time. Oh, I'm glad Chris is in the chat. Chris, I'm glad I just spotted you in the chat. I love the new green glowing text. Absolutely love that, by the way, Chris. I think that's absolutely fantastic. So, Caden, let me give you the link to this. This is Livestreamer Cafe. It's our own platform, and you can use our own server, or you can stream with YouTube, whichever you like. But when you go live, you can also be in here. There you go. I've given you the link. Look, sign up. It's completely free. If you want to subscribe to a paid membership level, you can. We have bronze, silver, and gold, and we have all sorts of benefits where you can email your viewers and stuff like that. Oh, you're already registered. Well, you want to make sure that you stream. Remember, when you do stream, that you do title it education or whatever, or entertainment, because obviously it's not music. But anyway, yeah, Chris, absolutely love that new glowing green. It really is great, and especially as investors, we love to see green. So I actually like that. I think that's really, really good. Really, really good. Anyway, just thought I'd say that, Chris. I forgot to mention it earlier. So there you go. And also at the same time, I'm able to do this. Where is it? I did it earlier. Chris, stand by a second. Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. See if this works. This should be the chat. There it is. It is. There is the chat from Livestreamer Cafe. Just come up on the screen. You should see it in a second now. I've got that widget set up. So there you go. You can actually see it on the screen right now. If I want to bring that in, there you go. I can share that. Pretty cool, right? Patrick S. Hello from Sweden. Welcome to you, Patrick. I'm already on YouTube with you. You're Carl Werby. You're in Facebook, mate. That's definitely Facebook. I'm pretty sure that's Facebook, but definitely Facebook. But if you are in YouTube, just talk to me in YouTube then. Anyway, hello from Sweden, Patrick S. Welcome to you, Patrick. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for joining us. And we are investing and trading this afternoon. We're trying to scalp trade Virgin Galactic and Tesla to rescue our portfolio. We were up nearly 50,000 just a few weeks ago, 20 grand down. But we've got stocks at lower prices. We've made profits on stocks, so it's just a matter of time. Anyway, we've got a guest here then from Sweden. So if we can welcome our guest in this afternoon, I think you're new, Patrick S. Or have you been here before? We do have a few friends from Sweden, but let me know if you're new here. Anyway, if everybody would put their cities and countries in, I'm actually here in Dallas, Texas. This is my studio in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. All right, even though I'm from the United Kingdom, and deaf to the. Hang on a minute. What's going on there? Ali Tisro. Okay. What's going on with Ali this afternoon? Welcome, Patrick, says Mike. Are you okay, Ali? What's going on? Virgin Galactic is rising. As soon as we can get to 350. Yeah, Ali, are you okay, mate? What's going on with you this afternoon? Virgin Orbit 177. Tesla, we're trying to buy anywhere below 109. That's what we're looking for. Rivian, we haven't touched Rivian this afternoon at all. Lucid. Yeah, Chris, that looks really good. Make sure you leave that. That's phenomenal how that looks. Really, really good. Good luck fixing... okay. I'm not going to read these comments out. A little bit strong. Arrival. A little bit of a swing there at the moment. Blimey, who's upset? Ali. Yeah, what's up, Ali? Why are you so upset? Apple is 126, a bit of a discount at the moment. Apple is getting cheaper. It's still very expensive though. Its PE ratio is 21 times. It's getting better though. I'd like to own some more. I also want to get back into McDonald's. I also want to get back into Coca-Cola. I also want to get back into J&J, but I won't be doing any of that until I've started to reduce my Tesla position, and also I want to reduce my Virgin Galactic position at the moment, lower my averages, and get those averages down. The Church of Logic playlist still looping. I can't wait to tell you tomorrow. I think, because there's a 24-hour delay, I think tomorrow we could actually be at 3,000. So tomorrow I will let you know. All right, so hopefully we'll be at 3,000 watch hours tomorrow, and we're on the way. We started at 2.7, but in fact we lost 100, so we were down as far as 2.6, so we're doing really well. Anyway, let's have a little look. Oh dear. I've just read some very disturbing news from Ali. I am terribly sorry to hear that. That's quite, well. Ali Tisro, I will open up the broadcast lounge. If you wish to talk to your family and friends, you can. Obviously, keep it as, I don't know, gentle as you can. But I've opened the broadcast lounge should you wish to call in. But, wow. Ali Tisro's had quite a dramatic bit of news here, and we're very, very sorry to hear that. Anyway, the broadcast lounge is open, Ali, if you want to talk to your friends. Wow. Why are you not talking about space anymore? What do you mean? Why am I not talking about space anymore? I've got space on the screen right now. What do you mean? I am talking about space, and I put out 2 Virgin Galactic videos today. I also put out a Virgin Orbit video today as well. Apple stocks. Apple, I have a good position on Apple, but it is very expensive. I'd like to add to my position. It does pay a reasonable dividend. It's a stock you always can own. It's down 3%. I'm down 14%, but it is extremely expensive right now. 21 times earnings. So I would like to get some. Yep, absolutely. I will be nibbling away, but I'm taking profits from my Virgin Galactic and my SPCE and my Tesla. If I can get Tesla now down to 109, 108, I'll buy another 5 shares. If I can get SPCE to go up to 350, I will sell 300 shares. What's up, Martin? Nate MMA picks and highlights. How are you this afternoon? Welcome. We've got another guest here this afternoon. Welcome to you. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. And I want to welcome our guests on TikTok and live stream at Cafe this afternoon. This is our own platform. If you are a streamer and you want somewhere to go in addition or on its own, Livestreamer Cafe is our own platform. Here I am right now, and what we do, which makes us special than any other platform, is one, we promote you. I'll pop in and promote you and put you on our YouTube channel, but also you can have your own tip jars on the screen and keep all the money and get paid directly into your account. And there you go. So that's how we do that. If you're interested, you're a streamer or a gamer or doesn't matter what you are, this is a great place for you, and it's free of charge. We've built it for you to use. All right. Is Amazon a good buy? Amazon is always a good buy if you don't mind holding. Now, I am down 20% on it. It's still expensive, very expensive. It's probably the most expensive stock you can own. 78 times earnings. So it is very expensive. Will it make money long term? Yes, it will. Is it dramatically down? Yes, but remember, it got overbought. I'll share with you what I mean. During COVID, everybody was buying it. Retail investors thought, well, you just buy the best company. And that's what's pumped this up. It shouldn't be up here. It's a great company to own, but it gets more and more attractive every day. But it is still very, very expensive. 78 times earnings. as you can see. But I own it, I'm holding it, and I look forward to owning more of it when it goes down less. We're going to rally to the start of the year, says Nate MMA. Well, let's hope so. I'm Nate Miller, by the way. Oh, that's you. Oh, you changed your fancy thing, right? I didn't know it was you. All right. MMA. Oh, you've got a different account. Okay. Are you still a member on the other account or what? Anyway, if you just tuned in, you'll notice, everybody, we've got some gold members in the house and gold badges now as well. There's the invitation to join. No, it's the first time. Patrick, welcome to our show. It's lovely to have you here. I've got family in Sweden, but welcome to you. And this is my actual portfolio. I go live 10 hours a day with my real trades, my real investments every day. 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. And we're here to support people. It's always truthful, always honest. We've got great investors, give great tips. Ed Nevius's tips are right 99 times out of 100. Up 300% this morning on his tip. Some of you made a lot of money from Ed Nevius's tips. There you go. If you become a member, you'll notice we have the highest engagement rate on YouTube, as in live viewers who are members. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest channels in the world, has 8 to 9%. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. It's because our membership program is here to benefit you. It's here to benefit you, and we're trying to grow the best channel in the world. That's our aim, and that's what we're doing here. Anyway, if everybody could please welcome then Patrick S. into the house. It's his first time here. Put your city and country in. If you'd like to access Discord, here is our Discord link, and you can call into the show as well. Be live on the show, and as a member as well. If you're a YouTuber, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I ask everyone to subscribe to you as well, and they will do it. All right. Yeah. Sorry, Ali, for the cynical language. The religion is fine, but just trying to be selective of these comments right now. Well, we've got some very upsetting news here from Ali Tisro. I'm just checking the Discord lounge if you wanted to call in, but I can see you're not in there right now. Anyway, our support goes to you. It's awful news you're sharing with us. Anyway, sorry, Martin. Money tight right now. No, not at all. I got rid of a lot of paid subscriptions. Need the money. No, absolutely. We're not here to take money from you. We are the very opposite. I never sell you anything. We're here to help you. I go live 10 hours a day. I could just make videos to make money. It's not what this channel is about. It's here to help people, right? Oh, I'm talking to Nate Miller again, aren't I? I keep forgetting. Sorry, Nate. I keep thinking I'm talking to someone else. It's because your image is new. I keep thinking, so you know how it works. Why am I explaining it? Sorry. Hi, guys. Dexter Sickles is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to thank everybody. I think tomorrow we could be at 3,000 watch hours. Thank you ever so much, everyone that has kept my music channel alive. We've got to get to 4,000. It's imminent that they'll demonetize me. So thank you for everyone for continually doing it. I appreciate it. I won't neglect my music channel again. It's okay. I'm gonna live UFC betting shows this year. You're going to live UFC betting shows. Do you mean you're going to stream onto Livestream Cafe? That'd be awesome. Hello, Martin. Good afternoon, Flames. Dexter Sickles is here in the house as well. Wonderful stuff. Okay, so we're still looking for the opportunity now to trade some SPCE. We've got 45 minutes to go into the close. Let's do our first quick commercial break, 10 seconds. And are you ready? Let me bring myself up to date. Here we go. Okay. And we've got Day Trader of the Day. We've got our cash giveaway as well. I'm mad you're not on green. Well, overall, no, I'm not, I'm afraid. I'll share with you in a second. I'm down 0.83. It's just been awful the last few months. But anyway, see you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Did I just get a super chat? I think I did. Just got a super chat there from Flames. Thank you very much indeed. I really appreciate that. Thank you. All love. Thank you, Flames, very much indeed. Every penny counts and supports this channel. Really massive, massive help. Thank you so much indeed for that. Appreciate it a lot. Okay. Thank you for that, Flames. But I'm optimistic. I'm holding in. What I'm trying to do, my next move now is Tesla. I've got 75 shares. I don't have to own any more at all. I've got 75 shares. If it goes down to 109, I'll buy some more and lower that average again, and then try and trade some again. Saka the same thing with Virgin Galactic. I'm trying to sell 300 shares now at 350, 360. That's what we're trying to do, and then we'll do it again in the morning. Great to be here. Thanks a lot. You're very welcome, Patrick. Lovely to have you here. By the way, should you ever go become a member, we can celebrate your birthday. We have cash prize giveaways every Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. Every Friday we give away the money I make on the video. If you are a bronze member, I put you on the homepage of the channel. Plus, we celebrate your birthday as well. I will sing you happy birthday during this live show. I will turn around and go back to my studio back there, and the whole studio lights up, ready to celebrate your birthday for you and a family member, and you get to keep the video as well. Anyway, there you go. Martyn, Lucid is going up soon. Let me have a little look. Lucid. I am down 45% on Lucid at the moment. My average is 1163. Are you buying more? At the moment, no. I'm not. At the moment, I'm not. I haven't got the funds to do so. I need to make some more money from SBCE and Tesla. So right now, no. But I'm holding my position at the moment. Gothenburg, wonderful. I've got family in Gothenburg, and it's Göteborg, see? I even know the Swedish, Göteborg. I don't think I've pronounced that very well, but that's as close as I'm going to get. But yeah, Göteborg and Stockholm, I have family. So anyway, it's nice to hear from you, Patrick. Welcome. Virgin Galactic is up 1% today. The overall portfolio is still down, though, 0.98. We are still in the red at the moment. But anyway, we shall hold on. See if in the last half an hour we can take some positions. But anyway. If everybody actually could welcome our guest in today from Sweden, that would be absolutely awesome. We have a guest in the house today. Hey all, I'm back. Caden Youngquist is back in the house, one of our streamers. Yeah, I want to see when you next go live. Also, Caden, here's another little thing for you as well. I forgot to mention. You will love this as a streamer. I think if you're one of the subscription services, it might be bronze. I can't remember which one it is. Bronze, silver, gold. Anyway, it's one of those. It's like $1 a month. You can actually stream your videos 24/7 on our channel, and they are running all the time. So people are seeing your videos and subscribing to you, and it's a great commercial to your channel. Okay. So have a little look at that. I'll share with you what I mean. See, you can see me here. You can see me here. Look, I'm live because I've got a green line around me. But these channels, my other music channel, and these people here, look, they're streaming their YouTube channels. So they're gaining this what's called deja vu. They're actually getting views and subscribers and all sorts of things as they 24 hours a day. People are discovering these new streamers. So it's worth you thinking about, mate. Yeah. It's pretty cool. And when you go live as well, if you're on the right tariff, it'll even email your list of viewers. Yeah. Hello, person from Sweden. Mario Ortiz has just welcomed you. It's a cool platform. Yes, I'm glad you like it. It's cool. And we're getting very busy on it now. It's growing every day. And then we're going to look at investors and sponsorship. You can be involved in it. Virgin Galactic, 333. We're trying to get a trade. Tesla, 111. Welcome, Patrick. It is cool, says Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Rivian is flat. Lucid is starting to go up. We're still down 45%. I'm not prepared, though, to invest any more money at this stage. I need that. What is that? What do you need? Oh, yeah, Queen. You should have your channel running on Livestreamer Cafe, because you can have a Deja Vu video. If you get the bronze membership, which is like $1 a month. It's free. Is it free? Yeah. It is free. To stream on Livestreamer Cafe is free. If you want some of the extra perks, I think the 24-hour streaming where you can have a video playing so people can discover you. So whenever they go on the platform, there's your channel running and they can see you, subscribe to you and stuff like that. I think that's $1 a month. I can't remember. Chris is in the chat right now. I'm going to... Chris, you're watching the chat right now on LSC. Is it $1 a month for the bronze... Is it the bronze covers Deja Vu? I can't remember now. Mark Korn, how are you? But yes, it is free. It is free, Queen. When do you think would be good time to buy into Virgin Orbit? Well, did you see the video earlier? We've got the flight coming out in 2 weeks' time. In the coming weeks, we've got Virgin Orbit takeoff. It's up 9%, 8.5% today because of that. I'm still down 31% though. I'm not jumping in and buying loads of it. Lucid is interesting as well, up 3%. Greg Rychek, how are you this afternoon? Looking at, you just mentioned Lucid. Right, the overall portfolio is trying to pull up now. We want to get some money out of Virgin Galactic at around the 350 if we can. Hi, Martin from Chicago. Let me put you on the screen. Excellent stuff. Hi from Chicago. Great to have you here. How are you? And we're also trying to sell or just buy back some more Tesla as well. The S&P 500, I'm also looking at buying that. And I think, yes, I need to add an extra tab. Not too great. I'm going to be quiet as one of my friends passed away today. Not bringing a downer, just keeping in the loop. Well, Mark, we are always here for you. You know that. As a member of our family, if you would like me to do a memorial special song for you after tonight's show, I can do that. We did that. We've done that for several of our friends here. I often get asked to do Amazing Grace or Morning Has Broken or whatever it might be. If you'd like your family and your friends to have a memorial, a tribute to your friend, just ask me, and I will set that up for you after tonight's show. I will do that for you. So if you would like a memorial, then you just have to ask, and I'm here to do that. Okay? We can do like a 15-minute bit of music in memory of your friend if you want me to. All right. Hi, is Tesla on the floor? Chris V, Tesla is on the floor, but it's every possible chance it could go a lot lower. Good, how are you, says Greg Rychek. I'm sorry for your loss. There we go, says Greg. You're getting some love here from the family. I got into Tesla 109, Bav Mystery today. Congratulations to you. It was just expected, that's all. Known you for 20 years. You get some love there. Greg, I don't invest in Rumble. We've actually created our own something better than Rumble ourselves. All right, Rumble records, puts your material on their YouTube channel to make money for themselves. What we do is we put you on our YouTube channel to promote you, and that is called Live Streamer Cafe. If you go live on our platform, there I am right now on Live Streamer Cafe. Look, there's me performing right now. Look, and you can see me in my own lounge. When singers and performers stream live, I capture them, and I'll do that for you and Queen, and I'll do that for you, Caden. I often record the screens, and I actually then put you on our YouTube channel and promote you. That's just part of what we do. So we're better than Rumble. We're here to help people. I will leave that kind of thing for his family, buddy, but yeah, no problem. Absolutely right. You just got to ask me. Someone has just invested $1 billion in Lucid. Mercury Machine is feeling sad as well. It's having a hard time. I'm sorry to hear that. Lucid, it's just popped up 3.44%. You say someone has just invested. It's just moving now. Are you saying someone has just this moment invested $1 billion in Lucid? What do you mean exactly? Any verification for that? Rumble works with Start. Don't ask him about Rumble. It's my competitor. yeah, exactly. I have been invested in Rumble IPO. I think what we've got is better. Our YouTube channel, Live Streamer Cafe, is so much better, and we can anyway, whatever. DWAC 2023. I can't invest in DWAC either. It's just a casino. It's crazy. It's a lottery. It's not an investment for me, Greg. I'm glad if you've made some money, however, but it's purely speculative gambling. Going to crap nothing Trump does last. Saw an article today. Mercury. Well, let me say, if you'd like to be a researcher for our show, it does mean you need to be a member of our channel, though. But if you are a member, I can give you access to Discord. In fact, I can give you Discord for free. But if you want to send in links to the show, here is the Discord link. There we go. There's the Discord link for anyone who wants to access Discord. All our top tips and stuff like that. The exclusive channels are reserved for members, though. I'll just let you know that. Anyway, we're coming up to half an hour before the bell goes. Are we going to get a bit of a bounce? We are getting a bounce on Lucid, but we shall see. Here we go. Let me run a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. And some very exciting news, actually. We've got, where is it? Yes, 39 members to go to achieve a public Discord channel. Just 39. We need 39 members. I'm going to join you on Discord. Wonderful. Flames. There is, we just, 30, there's the Discord link. I can upgrade you if you're a YouTube member and you can call in, but you can still access all the free channels. Virgin could go bankrupt. Oh, here we go. Here we go again. Mr. Clockwork, like clockwork, is here with Virgin Galactic. Could go bankrupt. You're absolutely right. It could go bankrupt like anything else, but I don't see it. But you never know. I intend to take some money out of it if it pops up a little bit more. Ha ha, yeah, you're always getting me. You're always getting me on that one. You always get me on that one. Tesla trying to buy at 109. Hello there, sir, says Mr. Clockwork. It's good to have you here. Lucid is going up for sure. It's just the market that's affecting Lucid. Hey, the markets are affecting everything. Okay? We can't confirm that anything is going to pump up at the moment. We are most certainly still in a bear market. It has been now for a year. It's bloody miserable. It's all about staying in the game, though. Whenever you come over to Discord, let me know in the chat, and I will upgrade anybody that's not had their upgrading membership yet. Glad to see you've recovered. Actually, I am over COVID now. I'm negative, but I'm feeling quite weak. So it's Leah said be careful because I'm getting breathless and heart palpitations. If you go too hard, you get double COVID, you get ill again. So with all the steroids and all the medication, you can actually, your immune system is vulnerable. So I feel quite weak at the moment, so I'm trying to be careful. You should drink more beer on the stream. I'm drinking water, right? Here is the link. Okay, we got one of our researchers. Here is here's one of our team. Let's have a little look. Oh, this was I think this was, oh no, this is today. This is today. Okay, let me do this then. Thank you, Queen. I'm going to bring this into the show. Some Lucid news that's just been confirmed by one of our researchers, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Thank you very much indeed. It's a credible source from Barron's. Good. Let's go into Lucid right now then, and let's put this information out there. Okay, so we'll share this. If you are a Lucid investor, after the show, this will premiere, and you might want to grab hold of it and share it. 37 minutes. Okay, here we go. We're going to make a live video about Lucid. 37 LCID. Thank you very much indeed, Queen of Self-Braiding, for this information. Let me have a little read. Check it's good. Looking good to me. And here we go. We'll do some Lucid right now. Is Zach here? Not today. What's your average on? I'm going to share with you now, Bab Mystery. You're going to see it all. You're going to see it all, okay? You ready? Okay. Let me get rid of that. Let me zoom that in a minute. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Lucid. Up today, 3.4%. This is made during a live video. We've got some big news about Lucid. Something that potentially could change the stock or the direction of it or not. Let's have a quick look at it. But before I release that information, you got to pay for it. You got to pay for it with a blimmin' great smash of the like button. That helps our channel grow, and I really appreciate it. And right above my head, if you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, you get breaking news throughout the day. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on with Lucid today? Well, this is my position, and I have got some exciting news to share on. You can see below now on the white screen here, look. Here's just down here, look, here's the news, but you can't quite see it yet, right? So I'm keeping you in suspenders. Okay, so this is my position on Lucid. I've got 260 shares. I've made my profit when it popped up to $40. I've been buying it a little bit at a time on the way down, but I am down 44%. But here is the news, and it's not had the desired effect perhaps we might have hoped for. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. Lucid stock fell to new low despite a $1 billion Saudi investment. So you would have expected the stock to go up. Well, it just shows you how depressed and how much we are in a bear market. Let's have a quick look at this right now. Lucid stock continued to slide this week despite a recent additional investment in the embattled electric vehicle maker by public investment fund Saudi Arabia's foreign sovereign wealth fund of nearly $1 billion. Lucid set an intraday low of 618 on Tuesday. It's the lowest shares have traded since Lucid went public through a merger with a special purpose acquisition, a SPAC. SPACs traditionally over the last 12 months haven't done very well. In fact, I don't know any that have done well yet, and we're keeping our fingers crossed for Virgin Galactic, of course, because that's a SPAC. The stock slide comes as Lucid prepares to launch sales in Europe. Last week, Lucid said it was selling about 1.5 billion. Lucid said it was selling about 1.5 billion of stock, including the private placement of shares to Public Investments Fund, which is the company's majority shareholder. So this is a concern that we've not seen the stock pop. It just shows you that at the moment the EV sector is beaten up. Now, do you think it's an opportunity? Now, it's no good just saying, and this is the argument that we get a lot, there's no point just saying that Lucid produce a great car. We all know they produce a great car, but the only manufacturer that can make a profit and ramp up is Tesla right now. But it is worth holding. I have my position. I'm not letting it go. I will buy some more. The only reason why I haven't bought any more is I need to take some profits from Tesla and Virgin Galactic to do so. Then I might buy some more. I think it is one for the future. However, it's running out of money, despite the investment. It's not going to show a profit in the next year or so. I think it's further out than that. But anyway, I'd like to know your thoughts. If you leave me your comments below in the comments, I will reply to all your comments. If you click up here, that'll take you to my full playlist of Lucid. So if I get any breaking news or any news at all about Lucid, I will post it there first in date order. All right. Well, hold on to your seats. Lucid, it's one for the future. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's have a quick thumbnail. Lucid. I shall put that out at the end of the show. Okay. Let's have a quick look. Let's go back to our main position. See where we are. How many have we had through the show so far today? It's a bit quiet this afternoon. Just 70 through the show so far. Not doing too bad. Lucid is a great buy at $2. Oh, bloody hell. Everything is so beaten up, right? I mean, the numbers. I mean, we had Jim Cramer yesterday saying that we're looking at Tesla at $16. It's like, you know, talk about coming back down to earth. Let's me read some of these comments. VF is a strong company, Mercury Machine says. What source was that? That was from Barron's. About Lucid and stock in general, whenever some whale wants to sell, he will need buyers. Positive news creates buyers, says Mr. Clockwork. My crystal ball. Who wants to see my crystal ball? The Saudis may want this investment as a hedge against oil. Caden, great to see you, bro. Oh, I got Ale in the house. We got Ale and Alicia and Paddy. How are you? Great to have you here. I think you should buy 1,000 shares, says Flames. Well, you never know. I just might. Japan has given up. What's that on their financial situation? They've given up, have they? Trying to curb inflation. Hey, Bill, how are you today, buddy? Nice one. Caden says, hi, Ale. Lucid is a great buy at $2. Lucid needs to make a middle-class, affordable car. I don't think that's its sort of its strength, though, isn't it? I mean, it's trying to be like a Ferrari or something like that. It's not trying to be a car for everybody. I think that's the thing right there. Kiwi Saga, Happy New Year from New Zealand. Keep an eye on OXP FF Argo. Argo blockchain. Oh, no. Oh, my dear. Yeah, we discussed this before. Oh, my flipping neck. I'll try and come back to that in a minute. If you are a YouTube member, by the way, I can review a stock for you, do a poll on the stock. I'm just trying to see. Kiwi Saga, no, you're not a member, right? If you are a member of the channel, I can review a stock for you. This too shall pass. Cannabis stocks drop. Another media report says US watchdog reportedly mulling regulations for CBD. Cannabis stocks drop after media report says US watchdog reportedly mulling regulations for CBD. If you are a YouTube member, send that via Discord and I will put that on the screen and we'll do a video on Tilray. So that's important too. There's the invitation to join. And here is Discord. If you've not yet accessed our Discord channel, here it is. Let me give you the link right there in the chat. Okay. Let me scroll down. How is everyone feeling today? Market profit. Wonderful to see you here, Market. Tesla. We've got a good number of people in the house tonight. Good to have you all here. Welcome. Hi, Paddy, Alicia. Still flying ale. Quite good market. Thank you so much indeed. Jasmine will do crazy things, and whenever people get desperate, that means we are close to the bottom. I bought in total of 120 gazillion to trillion bazillion Jasmines, says Clockwork. A on you. I couldn't read that number. Up nearly 200% today. Very, very nice indeed. I'm waiting. My average is at 0.07. Even the Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda must be asking his markets bet he's suddenly becoming Tokyo's version of Jerome Powell. Oh, there we go. Right, we caught up to all our comments again now. Right. Excellent stuff. So, let's go back to our main screen and let's see where we are. The overall portfolio. Let's have a little look. This is my overall position. Down 0.82. Tesla is going back up again, which is great, right? But I'd like to buy some more and lower that average. That's what I'm trying to do. Virgin Galactic, same thing. I want that to pop up to 360 so I can sell 300. That would be great. We've got 10 minutes to go. The overall portfolio is down. On Friday, of course, we got our cash prize giveaway, of course. Now then, if you've not yet got our weekly newsletter and you are not in our weekly cash prize draw and you're watching right now and you're thinking, I would like to be in your free cash prize draw. It's every week, right? I want to be in it. If you want to be in your... What happened to TikTok? Did I got turned off TikTok? What happened there? That's weird. I was on TikTok. Who knows? If you want to be in our free cash prize draw, just ask me and I will give you the link that you need to be in it. We do it every single week. It's free to enter, free for all. All right. And I want to put a big shout out today. Did everyone take advantage of Ed Nevius's tips? 300% today you could have made. An amazing tip. Ed Nevius gave us a tip this morning. These are the tips you get on our channel for free. It's part of being a member in Discord. 300%. So if you put $100 in this morning, you would have made $300 today. That happened today. And that is free tips. We don't give advice, but we just share with you what we're doing. And Ed Nevius, huge shout out to you. Okay, now then, just a quick update. I want to thank everybody. We're getting closer and closer every day to my 4,000 watch hours. I think we are now at just under 3,000. We will know in the morning. So if you've not taken part yet, if you're not being part of what's going on, as you know, my music channel has been neglected because of because of focusing on this show. So go to my music channel. Here it is. Let me give you the link once again. Most of you have done it. Pick a playlist and let it run. I need to get 1,000 hours before they demonetize me. And if everyone does it, it won't take long at all. So there you go. Pick a playlist. This is my main channel. And once you pick a playlist, all you've got to do is click play all. And then at the top, you'll see the little loop, and let it loop. So hopefully you'll enjoy the music, but you don't have to watch it. Just let it run. And unfortunately, as I say, I'm just about to be demonetized because I've been focusing on this show. There is the loop button at the top. All you do is click loop like that and let it run. And I'll update you. Tomorrow we could be at 3,000 hours. Okay? I can't believe I even let it lapse. But anyway, there you go. Let's read out Patrick's comments. Lucid had a major issue with the car burned out. That was in May. Since their release, it has stopped. Since then, their release has been stopped. It seems like Saab always behind in production, says Patrick S. Thank you for your information. Virgin Galactic just going sideways. We're trying to get some money out of it. Virgin Orbit, we've got the news that broke today. Tesla, it's great, it's going up, but I actually want to buy some more before it goes up. So I bought it here, sold it here, bought it here, sold it here, and we're waiting to buy it down here. That's what we're waiting to do right now. Anyway, we've got 8 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's see how it all pans out today. Tesla. If we can just get it up or get it back down again. I want to buy some more. Going sideways. We've got our day trader of the day coming up in a few minutes as well. 8 minutes to go. Sid, good afternoon, Sid. How are you? We've got some guests here today. Let me put on the screen. Patrick S. is here from Sweden. And lovely to have you here, Patrick. And there we go. Ales from Italy. Now, if you are actually a member, hang on a minute. Press this button here. If you want to call into the show, you can call in. And here's an example of what it sounds like.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
that was Ed Nevius, by the way. Here's Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com. And
there you go. If you want to call in, you can do that. Now, Market Profit is saying sell into strength, but at the moment we can't because I'm still down 23%. Unfortunately, I can't. Where has Kurt been? Where has Kurt been? Kurt's doing what Kurt does. He hasn't gone anywhere. Might be a good spot to sell. I've already sold my shares that I bought this morning. I've made profit on them. I did it 3 times. I'm hoping to buy the next leg down and then sell it up again. But I'm holding my main position. Welcome from Italy, Patrick. That's Ale Drummer. Lovely. Wonderful stuff. It doesn't matter how much you're down. Any pumps on Tesla need to be sold. Yeah, but there is no pump right now. I'm up 3% and I've already sold it. So there's no point selling it right now, is there? Anyway. We've got 5 minutes to go. It's awful weather here, by the way. We've got storms and all sorts today. Oh my God, we've gone from having COVID to freezing, and now it's storms. It's like bloody hell, every day something else. Bloody miserable, isn't it? Ay. Anyway, up 1% at the moment. We're trying to get a trade out of Virgin, trying to get something out of Tesla, but hopefully it goes down before it goes up. Thank you so much, Martyn. You're very welcome, Ale. It's lovely to have you here. 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Hello. Hang on a minute. I've got one of our new guests on Live Shimmer Cafe. That's JL. How are you, JL? Let me put you on the screen. Let me look. Here's JL. Look. This is JL. He's a new streamer. He's from Sweden. This guy here. You're now on YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and TikTok and everywhere else, JL. If you say something on the screen, I'll put your message to the world. Go on then. There you are, JL. Just write something in there and I will share it with the world, all right? Let's see if he does it. And there you go. He's from Sweden. He's a singer and he uses Live Streamer Cafe to sing and perform. Let's see if he makes a comment. I'm putting some dollars into Ed's next tip. No pressure, Ed. Yeah, I know. 300% today. Now, I wanted to make the point, because a couple of you messaged me about that. How come I always miss them? Think of it like I'm the presenter, the entertainer of the show. My purpose is to give you the information so you can have a wonderful experience and make money. It's very difficult for me to do every trade and every investment as well as run the show. Think of the guy on the news, the guy on CNBC, the guy on Yahoo Finance. He's not trading, is he? He's getting paid to present the show. I'm getting paid by super chats and memberships and whatever to present the show. I can't take advantage of all the benefits that you have, right? Ed Nevius gave a tip this morning, and he's been right nearly every time, up 300%. 300% today. Phenomenal result. But I sometimes miss it because I'm investing. But anyway, there we go. There we go. It looks like JL commented, watching a movie, so can't chat. Just wanted to stop by and say hello. There you go. Howdy. There he is. Guy from Sweden. We just want to share him on the screen. Nice to see you, JL Larson. There you go. Good stuff, JL. We just made you famous now. You're even more famous than you were before. Look at that. All right. Anyway. Market, I'm down $4,000 on Tesla. Market, Martyn, Space Outlook. Space Outlook. I get asked that all the time. I put videos out to Jack, did you see the video? No news is good news. There is no reason for delays. There is no delays. There's no bad news. They're still hiring. They're filling the positions. I keep buying more. We have to understand, right, that high speculative companies like Virgin Galactic doesn't make any money yet, and it won't until it flies in January, February. Then obviously it's the first thing to be sold because people park their money somewhere else. It makes perfect sense. I see it as a buying opportunity, but at the same time, I can't just keep buying every single dip and holding everything and then having 99% of my portfolio in Virgin Galactic. I have to trade and scalp it as it pops up. And that's what I've been doing today. I've done it twice today. And the idea then is I end up owning the shares for free. That's the idea. Every time I can buy it when it's down, it pops up 5%, sell those shares. I make a little bit of money. I get those free shares essentially. And then I buy it back again. So I'm holding my main position, but I'm adding to my main position, and then I scalp those. Today I bought another 300. I had 2.2. I've now got 2.5. I want to sell 300 shares. The moment I can get 360, 370, I will sell 300 shares. I've got free money, and I will buy it when it goes back down again. We are in a bear market, and it is going to keep going down. All right. So anyway, we've got just 20 seconds to go. Here we go. The bell is about to go. Tesla. We want Tesla to go down so I can buy some more. And we want SPCE to go up so I can sell some. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the bell has now gone. We are now in the after hours. Malk is okay. Man, I don't know market. We've just discovered me and Mum are already artists on LSC. I didn't expect that. I'm so happy. Very nice news indeed. Yes, you are artists on Live Streamer Cafe. Absolutely you are. Boom, boom, chicky, chicky, boom, boom. Says this too shall pass. This too shall pass. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Right, the bell is now gone. We're in the after hours. Let's have a closer look to my position. You can see what's moving. There you go. It's down 0.52. Here comes the close. Let's see if Tesla implodes in after hours, says Market Profit. Let's go over and have a closer look to Tesla. Nothing dramatic. There you go. It's down 0.25%. I want to get it anything below 109, 108, anything like that, because at the end of the day, I don't mind owning this stock. I don't mind owning it. The PE ratio going forward, look at the expectations, guys. If they meet expectations, if they meet or beat expectations, Tesla, we are looking at a PE of under 20. In fact, around about 17, I believe. So this is really, really good going forward. It's rubbish right now, but it's good going forward if you've got the nerve to stay in the game. All right. So for me, I want to buy some more if it goes down, and I hope it does. I hope it does. I'm ready to buy another batch of Tesla right now. I'm ready to go. Come on, let me have it. Just when you thought you bought the bottom, it goes further down. Frustrating but holding. Lewis Martin, you're absolutely right. Just keeps on going. Tesla is a great company. It's just massively overvalued. Can I ask, though, market? Can I ask, do you still think it's overvalued? And what I mean by that is this. The PE ratio. The PE ratio. It was over 80. In fact, it might have been more than that. It's now 38, but that is backward calculated. The next earnings is 50% up. So we're looking at 17. Is 17 really overpriced for the next earnings? Are we about to get a really good deal for the first time on Tesla? So I don't know. I think, well, it's why I'm trading it. And if I get stuck with it, I don't mind. You know, there we go. Now, let me just test something now for our friend in Sweden. Right? Are you ready, our friend in Sweden? I want to see if you can pop into our YouTube channel and say hello. Right? Look, here is the link to my YouTube channel right now. There you go. I've given you the link. See that? Look. Pop into my YouTube channel and come and say hello. And I want to introduce you to all of my guests. And they can check out your YouTube channel, mate. And there you go. You want to get into stock investment, but it's hard to know what to invest in. Well, that's why I go live every day, JL Larson. Anyway, let's see if he pops into YouTube. Let's see if he comes on in. Tesla dropping under 100. Hello, oh, here he is. That was bloody quick. Hell, that was quick. JL Larson. Now, this is an artist on YouTube, on Live Streamer Cafe. There he is. Look at that. He's on the screen now. JL Larson, how are you, mate? He's from Sweden, and if you want to go and check him out, he's on our YouTube channel, Live Streamer Cafe, and he's a singer. There you go. Yes, I give it a premium on traditional market manufacturers, just not 4 times the premium. 2 times Ford PE ratio is being generous, and they are not, and they are at 7. I agree, but thing is, Ford don't make any money on EVs, right? Whereas, without a shadow of a doubt, Tesla do, right? Welcome to the show, says the Queen self-braiding. Hi from Oxford. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Ed Nevius, for your tip this morning. Everyone, give a huge shout out to Ed Nevius. If you took advantage of that this morning, you made 300%. Just starting to improve, so I hope it sounds good. JL Larson will watch you. Yeah, we're much better than Sessions. Sessions, you only got 70% of the money. They kept 30% and then took 8 weeks to pay you. With us, you keep all the money. And we promote you. And we're talking to you now on our show. How about that? Way better. Way better, isn't it? Right, the S&P is going down. Whoa, that's a big drop for the S&P, by the way. That is a very interesting place. I'll have the last laugh with Ford, says Churchy. Right. I like where the S&P has gone. It's hard for Tesla investors to be rational. I am very rational about it. I've changed my entire outlook on it, market. We got all carried away with the super ridiculous valuations. If you've been watching my videos all day, you'll know I've been talking about that. I like the fact that the S&P is approaching my all-time low. It's not there yet. But that is where I want to park my money. I don't know if we're there yet. We're getting close. We're getting close. Do we anticipate any more? I'm going to wait, but that's good. I'm glad I'm seeing that go down. Is Tesla worth investing in? Yes, but don't put all your money in it on one go. Spread it out. It's a very complicated subject, JL. I can't explain it in 2 minutes. Right, we got Day Trader of the Day competition coming up in a second. And awesome. Here is our Discord link. If you've not yet gotten the Discord, we're just like 30 away now, I think it is, from our 500 target to becoming a public Discord channel. Very good. Why bother asking for feedback? Wish you all the best in your trade. Why bother asking for feedback? Why bother? What do you mean, Jack? What do you mean, why bother? I ask everyone. We talk to everyone. Why bother asking for feedback? Wish you all the best in your trades. Jack, I have no idea what you mean, but we are here to answer everyone's questions and feedback and support from everyone. Everyone gets their questions answered. Everyone gets their comments heard. And why bother? Well, because I like helping people, that's why. Down 0.51. We're holding up, though. Our portfolio is holding up despite the S&P being down that much. If you believe we're entering a recession, auto manufacturers get nailed the hardest. Tesla needs to trade around 40 to 50 to even be considered anywhere near fair value. Oof. Well, we shall see. Virgin Galactic now, 330. It didn't pop up for me to make any money. Tesla needed to go down, so let's do the opposite. Jack asked a question earlier. Oh, did he? And I missed it. Oh. Jack, I think he's gone. People get so upset when I don't answer every single question. No channel in the world does. I try my very best. But Jack is not a member. But obviously he was upset I didn't answer his question straight away. No, he's still here. He's still here. Jack, you're still in the chat. I'm here. I just got to focus on the members. That's all, Jack. I tried to answer everyone's questions, but I have to focus on the members first. Anyway, my average is $9. I'm not worried, says Church. Ford is going to get destroyed in 2023, but at least it's starting from a reasonable price, says Market Profit. I got Ford at 2020 bottom. That's good. Tesla's going up in the after hours. My portfolio is holding. Right, we've got Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date. Have we spoke about space? Sorry, just joined. Yeah, we speak about space all of the time. and we'll cover it again for you, Matt D. Let me just bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break, and then we've got Day Trader of the Day, and we'll cover your final questions. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Okay, let's have a look. Our portfolio is just holding. We're at 0 right now. Ford is a 10-year hold for me. I think you're probably about right. Virgin Galactic, 330. Have we hit bottom for space? Well, there's my Virgin Galactic on the screen right now. The answer is nobody knows. However, retail investors jumped all over it, and now retail investors are dumping it. And what I mean by retail investors is regular folks like you or I, who at the end of the day have got no patience. And it got bought up because everybody thought it was going to go to $1 million in 5 minutes, just like Tesla, and it got dumped when there's no news. And that's fine. That presents opportunity for me, but I am scalping it along the way. Everything is fine. I read all the wires every day with Virgin Galactic, and I've got no reason to believe that nothing is untoward. Anyway, let us know if you're in Rolls-Royce and thoughts about when it's possible to buy. No, Almeida. I'm currently out of Rolls-Royce. I got tired of waiting to park my money, so I'm currently out of Rolls-Royce. I've got 8 more years to see profit, says Church. Vehicles are becoming too expensive. The whole industry will require a huge reset. That could start a new bullish trend, says Market Profit. Right. I think we'll end the show there. So, if you've just tuned in, thank you ever so much indeed for subscribing and ringing the bell. If you've not yet entered our cash prize draw, just ask me and I'll give you the link. It's free every week. It costs absolutely nothing to be in our free prize draw. If you want that, if you want to access our Discord, here is Discord for you. It's free. You can talk to our traders and investors and get all our tips. If you'd like to be a member to our channel and receive all the perks and benefits, here is the invitation to join. You'll see 95% of our live viewers are all members, the highest engagement rate on YouTube officially. Check it out. Live viewers that are members is average between 8 and 9%. Mine is 95%. Okay. Should never have bailed them out, says Mike. I believe in Virgin Galactic and I'm all in with 10,000. Just need them flights soon in 2023. Well, there's no reason to suggest that, Matt D, those flights aren't coming. This is my position. I have 2,500 shares. It's the most I've had so far. I'm trying to add more and trade on the way down. Drillian Demarge. Oh, Claudia Klish. Sorry, I contacted you. Oh, hang on a minute. I don't know. That's not genuine. Let's get that off the screen. That's not real. Somebody on Facebook. Bit of a scammer. There you go. Unbelievable. Ignore that. Apologise for sharing it. Drillian Demarge is here. Folks, don't let the bears push you away from Tesla. Bears are looking to get paid of Tesla hits $100, says Drillian Demarge. Exactly, Mike. The whole stock market since 2008 should have been continually bailed out. It's distorted the fair market values and price discovery. That's right, market. I agree. We all are responsible for this. Every one of us. We are all part of the overall plan, and we've all pumped stocks or at least got a bit carried away. We've all made those mistakes, and now we're all paying the price for it. No question about it. Okay. All right. I think we thank you, Gaitis Karoblis, for your subscription. We're trying to get some money out of Virgin Galactic. It's moving again. At Tesla, we want to go down. I'm going to end it right there. So we'll be back in the morning for the opening bell. We've got our cash giveaway on Friday. Thank ever so much, everyone. Drillian, we've got a few of our guests we've not seen for a while. I ask you to help me if you can. Because of my commitment to this channel, I've neglected my music channel. This is my music channel, and I'm on the cusp of being demonetized because I've dropped below my 4,000 watch hours, which you need to keep on a rolling 365 days. And everyone who's been watching my music channel, click a playlist, and it's imminent to be turned off. But we've got from 2,700 hours to just under 3,000 tomorrow, I think. It's 2,009 right now. So click anyone, a playlist, click play all, and then just all you've got to do then is click the loop at the top right-hand corner and let it run. You don't have to watch it, just let it run. And I'm really actually quite desperate not to lose my YouTube channel for monetization. It's my only source of income, so I'd appreciate it. That's it. Smash the like. Oh, day trader of the day. I forgot. Let me go over to my main portfolio. Here we go. I'm down 0.35. I regard that as a good day for me at the moment. Down 0.36. Let's do our day trader of the day. I will support your playlist, Martyn. Thank you ever so much. Any videos, any playlist, just let it run. I massively, massively appreciate it. And all you got to do then is when it runs, can you see over here that there's a little loop button? Let me go share with you. Look, there you go. There's a loop button here. Just click the loop button like that, and till it's highlighted, and it will play around. And just let it run. And hopefully within a week, we'll get back to the 4,000 watch hours. All right? It doesn't cost anyone anything, but it saves my channel from being demonetized. Okay, so here we go. We are down 0.64 right now. Let's do a 1 minute on the clock. And let's see who wins this afternoon. All right, here we go. Down 0.38, says Mike. Portland Trailblazers is up. One of our gold members here this afternoon. Thank you for your support for the channel. We really appreciate you. It's because of you we are here. Portland Trailblazers, thank you so much indeed. The members are so important right now. Who else have we got? Just 2 scores? We must have more than 2. Up 3%. I think we're running out of time. There we go. Yesterday morning, me too, I did run one of the playlists, Marty, the Christmas songs. Thank you so much. Keep it going. I've got to get 1,000 watch hours. That's basically, if one person watches for 1,000 hours, we'll do it. If 10 people watch for 100 hours, we'll do it. All right? If 100 people watch for 1 hour, we'll do it. That's all it takes. And anyway, thank you ever so much for those of you that are doing it. I think then the winner is Portland Trailblazer. It looks like it, so we're going to give the award. Everyone seems to be a bit behind today. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give them the thumbs up, and here come the sound effects. All right. Congratulations, Portland Trailblazer. Yay, says Mike. Wonderful stuff. All right, that's it. I'll see you back in the morning. There were a few videos tonight, if you wanted to catch up on your videos on the homepage of the channel that I just put out. Cathy Wood, margin call, and a few other things you might be interested in. If you want to go and check those out, you can. Otherwise, I'll see you back in the morning. But that's it from me tonight. It just leaves me to say, someone needs to say, roll the credits. So let's roll the credits. And we'll be back in the morning. All right? Here we go. Let's roll the credits. Did we get anything? Wow, we got a few subscriptions. How Kai and Jitis Karoblis. Now that's only the public subscriptions. If you are if you hide your subscriptions, it won't show it. So we may have had more than that, but that's all it shows. Didn't get any super chats today, and no members to Twitch today. Remember, if you subscribe to Twitch for free using Amazon Prime Gaming, you'll be in our free cash giveaway every first Friday of the month. All right, boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow, says Ale. There it is, and just for all of you, and here we go. Hang on a minute, let me do this. What shall we do? Shall we do this one? I look into my crystal ball, and what do I see? I see the family joining me in the morning. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I'll see you all back in the morning. There we go. And that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for being here. A bit breathless with this flipping COVID. Did anybody else get breathless when they got COVID? It's like, it just tires you out all the time, right? Have a great evening all. Have a great evening, says Patrick S., our new guest tonight. Patrick S. tuned in tonight for the very first time. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That was great. Oh yeah, hang on a minute. How did that go across there? That's better. There you go. Have a great evening, says Patrick S. Thank you so much indeed. All right, go and check out the music channel. Keep those videos going, and hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed tomorrow, I'll be able to tell you that we've reached 3,000 watch hours. So we'll be on our way. All right, that's it. I want to thank Christopher Marantet, who's over on Live Shimmer Cafe, for doing a wonderful job tonight. He's over there. And JL Larson, are you still here? Good to see you for joining us from Sweden. And thanks to our guest on TikTok. But that's it. I'm done. I'm going to end the show here. That's it. All right, folks. I'll see you all back in the morning. Have a wonderful evening. And in the meantime, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.